today, I cook egg starter recipe. Hi, I am Anjum, and you are watching Khana Pakana with Anjum YouTube channel. Egg burji, Indian-style scrambled eggs. 4 large eggs. It's quick, flavorful, and makes a great appetizer or snack. One tomato, finely chopped. One onion, finely chopped. Optional. Optional. 1 green chili, chopped. Optional. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish instructions. Heat oil or butter. In a pan over medium heat, crack the eggs. Directly into the pan and stir quickly to scramble them. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the eggs are fully cooked. Add chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. 3. Add green chili. If using, chopped tomatoes. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until tomatoes soften. Season with salt, red chili powder, and garam masala. Add cumin seed. Stir in turmeric powder. Mix well. If using, and cook for another 2 minutes. And garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve your egg burji as a starter with toasted bread.